Well, I'm back. This time I'm loaded up with some birdshot. We're going to shoot the same targets out there. So let's rock and roll. Woohoo! Alright, let's go ahead and have a look at the damage. Shooting a 20 gauge sure is comfortable. If you're not in the mood to shoot a 12 gauge, if you still want to shoot a shotgun, 20 gauge is the way to go. Woo! Pardon me. Well, there's some pellet hits. I don't know if you can see, but there's some around there. They're going pretty deep though. Well, that pretty much concludes that. I'm going to shoot about 2 boxes of birdshot, and then I'll come back, me teaching you how to load a cap and ball revolver. As a matter of fact, the subscriber's name is, and dude, if you are watching this right now, forgive me if I get your name wrong. Not good with names. 4th Glory Monday. Assuming that's your name. And if it isn't, I'm sorry. But if it is, I'll be right back. So, I'll be right back. Ta-ta.